Today, I'm going to show you how to wall mount an open box sign. Our open boxes allow the sign to be wall mounted with a clear acrylic panel on the front and back. Our open box offers a sleek, stylish look to your sign, and it's ideal for wall mounting in locations that might be exposed to wear and tear. If your sign is going to be outdoors, we also offer IP67 rated waterproof signs. Step 1. Place the back piece of acrylic, the one with your sign attached to it, against the wall where you're going to mount it. Using a pencil, make a small mark on the wall through the center of each hole. Step 2. Drill holes where you've marked the wall and hammer in the wall plugs. Step 3. Place the screws inside the spaces that came with your wall mounting kit and then hold your sign up against the wall. Make sure the power cords are positioned exactly where you want them, as the acrylic will be pushed firmly up against the wall. Drill the screw and spacer into the wall or wall plugs through the holes in your sign. Step 4. Now it's time to put the clear acrylic panel on the front of your open box wall-mounted sign. Line up the holes on the front piece of acrylic with the spaces and tightly screw the wall mounting screws into the spaces on the back piece of acrylic. Ensure that the silicone washer is in between the front piece of the acrylic and the wall mounting screw. And that's how you wall mount your open box sign. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team.